Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the option for respondents to view results in Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher, trainer, or someone running surveys who wants to keep responses private, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive at drive.google.com. Once you're there, find the Google form you want to edit. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily make a new form by clicking the New button and selecting Google Forms. Once your form is open, it's time to adjust the settings so that respondents cannot see the results. Next, click on the settings icon located at the top of your form. You'll see multiple tabs here, but the one we're looking for is the Presentation tab. Click on it, and you'll notice an option labeled Show Summary Charts and Text Responses. This is what allows respondents to see the results. To disable this, simply turn off the toggle next to it. By doing this, respondents will no longer have access to the summary of answers after submitting their form. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your form is saved and that any collaborators are aware of this change. Doing this beforehand ensures that no one can accidentally change the setting back and that your form remains secure. Once you've toggled off the summary option, save your changes by clicking the Save button, usually at the bottom of the settings window. After that, your form is all set. Respondents will still be able to submit their answers, but they won't be able to see other people's responses or any charts summarizing the data. It's also a good idea to double-check by submitting a test response to ensure the summary is hidden as intended. Taking this extra step ensures everything works exactly as you want and keeps your data private. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to keep your Google Forms results private and secure with ease. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?